And now to a developing story. Broadcom will not be taking over Qualcomm. The White House announcing today that it's blocking Broadcom's bid, citing national security reasons. 10 News anchor Brian Schlonsky has been tracking this in the 10 News Live Center. And Brian, you spoke to an expert about why the president made this call.
Yes, Kimberly, I did. And a lot of Qualcomm's technology is used by the military. It's used by the government. Our expert saying he thinks the Trump administration didn't want to see that technology fall into the wrong hands. After a hostile takeover fight that lasted months, the Trump administration stepping in today to stop Singapore-based Broadcom from buying Qualcomm. If the $117 billion bid would have gone through, it would have been the largest technology deal in history.
It was somewhat of a surprise announcement right out of the blue this afternoon.
Financial expert Dennis Brewster says it's the timing that was surprising.
They have blocked several other Chinese-related takeovers, and I think that's what they felt here. They were a little bit uncomfortable with Broadcom's relationship to certain Chinese companies.
That basically means the government didn't want Qualcomm's technology getting into the wrong hands.
There's a little bit of a race to develop 5G, leading technology. A lot of that leading technology is used by the military.
In the presidential order, the president said there was, quote, credible evidence that Broadcom, quote, might take action that threatens to impair the national security of the United States. Broadcom saying in a statement today that the company, quote, strongly disagrees that its proposed acquisition of Qualcomm raises any national security concerns. Qualcomm says that it got the presidential order and has been told to reconvene its shareholder meeting for March 23rd. National security was also cited by the Trump administration last week when the president approved tariffs on imported steel and aluminum. Inside the 10 News Live Center, I'm Brian Schlonsky.